Magic fingers! Hello guys, it's Sofia. Today I'm drawing a tooth, toothpaste and a toothbrush. Let's draw! First, I'm drawing the toothbrush. Let's draw some toothpaste on it. Here is the tooth. Shh, it's sleeping now. Soon, Magic Finger is going to wake it up. Now I'm drawing the toothpaste. There's a heart on it. Magic Finger! Ta-da! It's awake now. Let's paint! Green. I love to brush my teeth. It feels so clean. We should brush our teeth twice a day. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes long. That's how I keep my teeth healthy. Blue. I'm going to brush this tooth soon. It's going to be white and shiny. I love painting so much. Look how it looks around. It looks so cute. 2.